You can hear the seagulls. Bonjour tout le monde. It's summer and it's very good. Well, I must be serious. 2 minutes. I bought for this new V70 Generation 3 a Bluetooth kit also from a company in Sweden named Vparts, and we will install together like I did before. As you can see on the video by clicking here, I don't have any commercial links with them at all, but honestly they really make well the job. Their website is perfect, their YouTube channel is perfect, and honestly I really strongly recommend this company. And also, you know why I recommend this company? Look, well, because when you order they give you tweaks. Or I eat or I put in the fridge because it's hot and it will be melting. Here is the Bluetooth kit that we have to connect to the auxiliary port. Honestly, I don't know where I go because I never did that before, like for the other car. The version of my V70 is a kinetic, so it's the basic one, and the auxiliary port is in the glove box here. So we have to connect the Bluetooth in this port. And to connect to the auxiliary port wiring, you have to go at the rear of the car, and it's inside this little plastic cover. In Vparts YouTube channel, for those who are watching this video from Sweden, there is an excellent video about how to install this part, and I will put the link in the description. To remove this plastic cover, you have to pulling up and towards you. That's it. To remove these plastic parts, you have to use a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, that you insert. I will show you later also from close. That you insert inside to push a little tongue, and then you pull up a little. Same at the opposite side, and that's it. I'm talking about these 2 pins. So guys, stay tuned to see how I will put back everything, because if you try to put these plastic parts then this cover after, you cannot. So I found a better deal and I will show you later. So for now we have to find the connector from the auxiliary port, and the connector is here. Here it is. As I saw on Vparts video, I put the link here. You can watch by clicking here. We have to use the negative and positive from the cigarette lighter. It's at the back of this wire, so I have to cut this tape carefully. Voila. So sticky. And if I understand well, you have your positive and negative here. It's where we have to plug these 2 wirings to connect the Bluetooth. And then after we have to plug only this one. That's it. I will follow like a sheep what they recommend, because I guess it's the same, because it's the same color. In the Vpart video, they make a test with the tester to see if the connection is okay and everything. But I will go over this step and connect directly, because I know that it's working well. What we have to do is to connect the positive of the Bluetooth in this wiring. It's purple and red, and the negative to the other one, the purple and black. Sounds a bit common sense. Look like the quality of this one is less good than the one they show on their video, but never mind. You insert the positive wiring in this slot. Good luck. Good luck. Voila. And after that, Sorry for my breath, guys, because I'm just beside the camera. After that, you have to plug the positive wire in the opposite side. So you push real deep, and then with a plier you have to push this plug to connect everything. Good luck, guys, because if you miss that, you're dead. You must go to the supermarket to buy another batch of plugs. I will set myself first to see it's fit. Oh no, look like yes, me that way. Comme ça. Ta-ta-tong. I'll try to push that. Do not pinch. Oh, look like it's okay. First time. Oh, merde. First time. How come? Et voila. I'm done for this one. So after that, you clip to securize everything. And same for the negative. A little spread over. Comme ça. And then the same for the negative wire. You push deep. And we should be good to go. And to finish the plugins, you have to connect the connector from the Bluetooth kit to the auxiliary wiring. Clack. And it's time to test. I never did before. As I told you before, it's live. Ignition on. We have to find the Bluetooth. You go to your Bluetooth section. Searching for, you see, Vpart Bluetooth. So it means it's well connected. I will play music, free music from my nephew. Power on. Still written in Swedish. Selection mode. And it's working. Let's see if it's connecting alone when you left the car for a while. So I'm parking the car, switch off the engine, remove the key, switch off the car. I'm going to bed. Let's go to eat, drink a beer, go to supermarket. What else? Finally, it's tomorrow morning. Well, we come back to the car, open it. Come inside. Bonjour, bonjour. Ignition on. Engine on. Look like it's not running alone, so you have to put your song. Look like you have to connect the Bluetooth always. Sorry. Ah. Let's try again. Remove the key, get outside, close the door, put the ignition key, start the car. and it's not connecting alone. The music. So. Well, to connect the Bluetooth when you enter the car, it's not the best, look like. Let's see if it's connecting alone after a while. It's working. Get inside the car. The key. Ignition on. It's not working. I plug the charger on the cigarette lighter in the rear. I will connect my phone to the charger to see if when I put the ignition on, it's giving power to the charger on the rear immediately. So let's see. So I have power immediately. So it means the Bluetooth is powered on the same time. Common sense. So let's see the Bluetooth, and it's not working. So you need a while before to get the Vparts Bluetooth to be connected. I don't know why. Maybe it's due to the iPhone. So start again the procedure, close the car, on the car, ignition on, put a song. They look like faster, but you still cannot change the songs on the Android. Let's try again. Switch on the car, open the phone. Look like it's working better on Android. Let's try again with the iPhone. Au revoir les amis. Bonjour les amis. The Bluetooth. I understand now that you cannot connect more than one device. So you have to come on the other one to close the Bluetooth. Try to connect on the iPhone. I cannot do better now. So it's obvious that the connection is really better with the Android than the iPhone. So expect that, guys. I will anyway, I will write an email to Vparts to know what's going on. Maybe it's a problem with my device, but I suspect that on the iPhone securities are stronger than in the Androids. Well, I must to be fair. There's nobody else who offers that kind of Bluetooth kit for the V70 Generation 3. So, of course, it's not perfect. It's not working like the other for the Generation 2, but it's already much. So, it's really worth the €50 you paid. It's easy like 1, 2, 3 to install. We can be patient 1 minute to find the Bluetooth. That's okay. That's okay, it's already much for me. Now, to finish, we have to put back everything like before on the rear, and we're done. You hide everything inside that. If you're a good guy, you better attach with the scratch or double side scratch or something like that. But me, I told you already, I'm not a good guy. So I will put everything like that. And then after, when it's the time to put back this plastic plus this cover, as I told you before, I found a clue. You have to insert this plastic on the cover, or reverse the cover on this plastic. Then you press to lock, and then only now you can put everything together. You start by down, and you're done. We're done for this new gadget. If you have any question or comment, write on the section below. I look like a kid in the child seat because I removed the cushion to have more room. Allez, bye bye everybody. Au revoir.